35. 70 minus 35 will be 35. So all the small angles, everything you got now. Now we'll compare whichever we want right here. Triangle ABC, in that angle ABC means ABC. That means B is in the middle. So which is the angle you have to find out here? 20. ABC, that means this one, okay, 20. So ABC is 20 degree. Now BCA. So one angle over, the second angle C we are considering. So C is almost 70 plus 55. 70 plus 55 will be 125. Now B over C over next to A. Okay, so the name can be written as CAB or BAC. So CAB is how much here? CAB. That is only this one, 35 degree. Now we'll move on to the OBC. OBC. So this triangle we have to consider. In that, O which one? Already given 70 degree. 70 degree means middle. BOC or COB. BOC 70 degree. Next B will consider. B means OBC or CBO. Name you can write. Okay. B, what is this here? 35 plus 20. 35 plus 20 means 55. So B, which is the middle here, OBC, 55. Next O over B over next C. OCB or BCO. How much is that? 55. So BCO, it is 55. So this is the way you have to understand the concept and you have to find out the missing angles. Okay, next question, the question number 3. You can see in each problem below, draw a circle and a chord to divide it into two parts such that the parts are specified below. Means you can see you have a circle and a chord. You have to draw the chord also to divide into two parts. If you draw the chord, you can get one part here, one part here. So that some of the conditions are given. First condition is what? All angles on one part is 80 degree. All angles on one part is 80 degree. Means if I draw the chord, one part means I can consider this upper part. So whatever the angle comes on this part, all will be 180. For example, this is just showing here whatever comes, no, that is 80. Here whatever comes, that is 80. So you know here whenever you write, whatever angle you have, those angles will be equal. So this is the way you have to find out how to draw that. Just you have to draw a circle and chord so that all angles on one part will be 80 degree. How can we do that? So simply we cannot take 80 degree there. So the main important one thing, we have to consider the central angle also. Central angle. Central angle, if I join here, you have to say, if this is 80, what will be the central angle? Everybody know that. 8 is double 160. So that you have to consider first. So all angles on one part 80, then the central angle will be 2 into 80, that is 160. So when you draw, you can draw a circle with a compass, that is you can take 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter, whatever. So just to take a circle like this with a 2 centimeter length and a center mark it, then what you can do, just to draw a line anywhere, here, whatever, anywhere you can draw. Now just I'll show you, just I'm drawing here one line. You can draw a line here because I want to find out the central angle here, 160. So where you have to keep the protractor, just I don't have protractor, just I'm showing here, you have to keep the protractor like this. Protractor you have to keep it at the middle and measure 160. You know that the 90 will come here and 180 will be here, no, 180 will be here. So 160 somewhat here it will come. Here it will come. So that join that line. So what you are getting, this angle is 160. So this is 160. Now what you have to do? You want 80 degree, no? Another part is 80 degree. So here this is the point you are getting. So another part is which one? You have this one. If you are considering this is the central angle, the other part will be here. So this will be 80 degree. So that you have to do using the compass and the protractor. Compass means this centimeter, 2 centimeter you can take it and you can draw the circle. Then just draw a line, keep the protractor, find this central angle, mark that, and the opposite angle will be 80 degree you will get. So this is the way you have to find out. Okay. So next sub question, that is the next one. All angles on one part is 110. So previously we have seen 80, now it is 110. So as usual you know that if we want to find out the central angle for that. So if I draw a line like this, we want to find out the central angle. Central angle means double of this. So 2 in central angle will be 2 into 110, 220. 220 you have to find out here. But in our protractor, you know that it is a till 180 we have. We cannot do 220. We can do by keeping means 180 we can mark it again. How much we need to add to get 220. Like that we can mark it. But directly we cannot do. So what we can do is, if I take 220, what will be remaining angle? 360 minus 220, what will be remaining? That will take. So that it is easy to take. Take central angle as 360 minus 220, so 140. So one part is 220 means remaining will be 140 now. So that will take first. So that we can easily get 220. So now line we can draw. Now I am going to take the 140. 140 means 90 here, somewhat here you will get 140. So this is your 140. Now automatically you know the remaining part will be 220. So we don't have to measure with a protractor. 140 measuring enough. Now this remaining is 220. So that is actually we need. If this is 220, the other part you will get 110. So that if this is 220, your 110 will come here. This is the one. So here you can get 110. So this is the thing, okay. Now we'll move on to a problem. Draw a circumcircle of radius 3 cm with a triangle of an angle 50 degree and 70 degree. So what type of question is this? So you can see a circumcircle you have, one triangle you have. So you know that you have to draw a circle and a triangle. When we are calling a circumcircle, that you know a triangle will have 3 points. So if you have a triangle, through the 3 points, if a circle is passing, so that circle is called circumcircle. So that means if I draw roughly, you have a circle here and also you can see a triangle here. So this kind of figure is called a circumcircle. That means all the 3 points of the triangle, it will touches the circle. So that is called circumcircle. So what type of figure you have to draw? Circle's radius is 3 cm and the triangle's angle 50 degree and 70 degree. Only 2 angles are given. So this will be 50 degree and this will be 70 degree. This figure we have to draw here. This is the rough figure showing. So how can we do this one? Using the measurements. So that we are going to see now. So for that we have to use the concept whatever we studied. So that is what is the concept we have studied? We know that central angle we have studied. So I am going to mark the central angle for each of these angles. So I can draw a radius here, one radius here, the second one here, the third one here. So now we can see some speciality here. Okay. So that if this is 50 degree, what will be the central angle of this 50 degree? You can say that it is 100 degree. Now, if this is 70 degree, what will be the central angle of 70? It will be for 140 degree. And if the two angles are given, no need of finding third angle, automatically it will form. So, to draw this triangle and circle, we cannot use the direct angle 50 and 70 because 50 and 70 is coming here. We cannot take any line and we can't take 50 and 70. For that, what we are going to do is, we have to take the central angle of each angle. Central angle of 50 how much, central angle of 70 how much, and we have to draw all this. So this is the rough figure you have to do at the side. Later on, we have to do the actual figure. So you have to take a compass with 3 cm line and draw a circle like this. So what is the radius here? 3 cm. So that I can draw a line. Anywhere you can mark. 3 cm anywhere you can mark. This sort here, anywhere, one line you can mark. Now, okay, we have marked the central angle. 50 is the central angle is what? 100. So you can take 100 now, or 70 central angle is what? 140. So 100 or 140, that is your wish. First, whatever you can take. 100, I am going to take 100 now. So you have to keep your protractor like this. At the center you have to keep now 100. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, somewhat here it will come. So mark that and draw the line so that this will be, see it is 100 degree, that is 100 here. Next one, 70 central angle is which one? 140. So that you have to keep it here. this protector, keep at the middle, this line, already 100 over, no? So on that line, you have to keep the protector. Now 140 you have to take, where? 100, 120, 140 here, 140 here. So that you have to mark like this. So this you will get 140. So now what you have to do is just mark lines and name here A, point A, B, C. So that this triangle you are going to get now with one angle 50 degree, second angle 70 degree. Now we'll see how to get. From A to B join that, A to B, B to C and A to C. So that you can understand now 100, central angle 100. So the angle which is in the complementary arc, it will be half of that, that is 50 degree. Now you have a central angle 140 degree. So 140 degree means its complementary arc angle will be, what it will be? It is half of 140, it is 70 degree. So got no? The triangle of an angle 50 degree and 70 degree, you have to draw the figure like this. So this is the way, whenever a question asks this way, you have to do first a rough figure, find out which is the central angle first. Using the central angle, you have to draw the figure like this. So this is the way you have to do it. Next, the same type of problem from your textbook. Question number 6. Draw a triangle of circumradius 3 cm and two of the angles 32.5 degree and 37.5 degree. Just now we did whatever that same kind of problem is that 32.5 degree and 37.5 degree. So you are asking about circumradius. Before they told circumcircle. So both are same it is. So before drawing the figure, we have to do the rough figure like this. You have a circle, inside that you have a triangle and the two angles 32.5 degree, 37.5 degree. So directly we cannot take all these angles. So what we are using here, the concept of central angle we have to use. So center, mark the center and draw the radius like this and you will get the central angle here. So 32.5 degree. What will be the central angle of 32.5? So that is 32.5 plus 32.5. It will be 65 degree. 65 degree. Okay. So here it will come as 65. Now same way 37.5 degrees double will be 75. So this you have to find out first. Central angle you have to find out. So now first procedure, you have to take a 3 cm in your compass and draw a circle. And mark the center and draw one radius. Anywhere you can start, that is a radius with 3 cm. Now first central angle you can choose 75 or 65. So first I am going to choose 65. Keep your protractor at the middle. Now 65 will come here. So mark that and join till the circle. So this is the 65 degree. Now you can mark the point. Means first point A, you got the second point B. Now we need one more point C. So that is how we are getting second central angle which 175. 75 you have to start from this line. You have to keep the protractor like this. 75. 75 here. Mark that and join. You are getting 75. But if you see the figure, it is not looking like before. Somewhat different figure you can see. That is because of the angles. Angles are different here. That's why. So mark the 3 points A, B, C. So only one thing you have to remember. How to join the line. We told that A to B, B to C and A to C. That is the way we have to do. So we are going to get the triangle like this. A to B. I am joining A to B, B to C. The third one, how we did? A to C. Now, which is your triangle? That is this one. This is the one you need to draw. The upper one, A, B, C. A to B, A to B, B to C and A to C. But because of the angle, the different diagram you will get. So keep in mind, always whenever you draw, put the point A, B, C and keep it in mind from A to B you have to join, B to C you have to join, then A to C you have to join. So this upper part is your triangle. That is, here the third angle you can find out by 32 and a half degree, 37 and a half degree. If you add and minus from 180, you will get 110. You will get that. So that angle you can find out here. So ABC is your triangle.